morning guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are taking the WRX VB to get its two new things actually. So it's new front grille, so it's a gloss black or blacked out front grille, and the STI fog lights. So I know in Japan the STI fog lights came as a standard thing. Australia was never an option, otherwise I would have done it. The front grille is an option in Australia. It's just we've been holding off. I'm not too sure why. I guess like the grey you kind of get away with it, but any other color like the front grille just sticks out, and it wasn't very nice being grey. Even if they just did a black grille, would have made everything a lot better, but being grey on like a red car or a white car, the front grille was just always standing out and it was a bit annoying. My car being grey, I kind of got away with it, but today we are finally tackling that, and you guys have been asking for it as well. So we are doing a full gloss sport front grille and the STI fog lights installation today. Alright, so just before we go change the front grille and the fog lights, we'll give it a last walk around and see how it looks as it is before we do all that. If you guys are kind of like new to my complete WRX build as well, so yeah, carbon bonnet, paint matched guards. A lot of you guys are already familiar, but if you just randomly just come across this video and you just want to see what the actual front grille looks on your WRX and you just stumbled across my car, I'll just give you a little breakdown as well. So got the full lip kit, NVIDIA R400 exhaust, rear diffuser, STR rear spoiler, 8009 semi-slicks and C28s all round. That is how it's sitting at the moment. But today the biggest thing we're doing is the actual, finally, the new front grille, which I think is going to make it look really aggressive. So it's going to kind of set off the rest of the gloss. So the gloss front lip, so that'll be all gloss blacked out, and the more aggressive STR styling front fog light, which I wish Australia did come with, but everything turns out and actually looks. So I can't wait to show you guys how it all fits and how it looks as well. So yeah, let's go get into that. Again, if you like anything on my WRX as it is, I'll link everything in the description, with also my discount code for 10% off any of these parts for you guys too. So that's if you're Australia. I believe they do worldwide shipping as well, but yeah, if you're in Australia, we can definitely help you out with that as well. So yeah. Alright, so I thought I'd give you guys something a little different, kind of like a chill time-lapse video of the step-by-step process of the installation of the front grille and S4 fog light covers. Removing the front bumper bar is pretty simple. So the first step you do have to remove is the front headlight washer covers. So once you remove those, you can go underneath the car, and there are a few clips underneath connecting the tray to the front bumper bar as well. Once those are removed, there's a few more on the left and the right, and a few on top of the bar. And once those are all out, you just simply slide it off. Once you remove the bar, there's a few bolts holding the front grille in. You just gotta undo those, simply take it out, and then put in your new front grille. And it's easy as that. It's not even on the car yet, and I could just tell it's gonna look so much better. We'll just do a quick lineup to see how it's kind of just roughly how it's gonna look. Fog lights are pretty much the same process, just clipped all around, clip in, clip out. Here's how the old one looks just before we take it out. It's pretty matte and dull. Putting the S4 covers on is probably the easiest part. After that, there is a bit of wiring that has to be done, which I can kind of run through with you guys as well. But putting them in is pretty much just line everything up and just slap it in. It's pretty much that easy. Left side is in, and man, already just looking at it straight away, it's just 10 billion times better. So that's the right side. It's matte and kind of like dull, doesn't go off the lip. But now the fog light covers, not only is there an extra light, but it matches the gloss grille, and it kind of just sets the whole car off. Alright, so here we're using the harness that comes with the kit, running it across the crash bar to reach the other side, and also up into the fuse box, because it's just an easy way to just wire everything up. And we are also not using just the daylight running lights, but we are opting to use the lights for also indicators and hazard lights too. So an extra little bit of wiring has to be done, and that process is pretty simple. The kit comes with a yellow wire, which you will be tapping into the yellow indicator wire as well, and once that's tapped, pretty much it's all just plug and play, and it'll work with your indicators and hazard lights as well, which is just, it's just sick. You guys will see it very much through this video. These are working on my WRX. I thought I'd show you the BRZ demo car, so everything on this car you guys can do as well. So if you have a BRZ, you kind of want to build it up similar to like this, you guys can. So the spoiler, not the T37s, but the actual kit, side skirts. This is really sick. If I had a BRZ, I'd definitely do this. The fender as well, headlight, overs, front bumper bar as well. Yeah, this just looks really sick. This thing is really nice too. So full carbon fender, carbon bonnet. Like, this looks actually really sick. Especially with the T37 SLs, I think the color combination works perfectly. With like the roof racks, bucket seats, carbon boot. Yeah, this thing is sick. Really like that as well. Over fender, yeah, just really tastefully done. Alright, so now the fun time comes. Everything is put back together, everything's wired up, and now it's just pretty much just installing the front bumper back in and getting everything tested. Front grille is on, fog lights are on. Again guys, if you need anything, especially what's on my WRX, I can list everything and put the link in the description. Hit up the guys down at D-Maker, use my code, and yeah, you can get your WRX, BRZ, or any other car looking like mine. Exactly like I mentioned before, the front grille is on, the fog lights are on. Right now we'll just go somewhere nice, park up, and we'll go over everything. How it looks on the car, let's talk about the quality. Let's see exactly what the fog lights do as well. Let's go do that. Parked up somewhere pretty nice and quiet. I just like walk around and show you guys how the WRX looks now, but honestly I didn't think I would like it this much. It's actually, can't believe I didn't do this even sooner, just because how aggressive and nice it actually looks now too. But yeah, let me show you guys, then we'll go run through, we'll turn them on and just show you guys the quality of it as well. It just looks so much more menacing now with like the carbon bonnet, with the fins here, and just all blacked out front grille, the gloss black lip now matching with the actual grille as well, which kind of sets it off just that much more. Can't believe how nice this looks right now, especially when we'll turn on the lights and I'll show you how it looks with the lights. but I thought these were actually fog lights, but it's more like daylight running lights and indicators, which has actually turned out to be better than what I expected, because when you're driving, those will just be on, or when you're indicating or even have your hazards on, that will be on as well. How good does that look? I hope you guys enjoyed the little B-rolls that I do with this as well, because it just looks so nice. Going over the whole car, give it a quick little walk around, because it kind of just finished everything up. I think all we're missing on the exterior now is just maybe the painted skirts. Of course, the Brembos would be ideal, but that's more like a little bit later. The rear bumper, I do have something planned, so I don't think I'm going to be keeping this rear bumper design. If I do, it all depends on if that new bumper that I have in mind, it comes into stock sooner than I expect. If it's a longer wait than I expect it to be, then I'll probably just end getting all this paint matched, the top half at least, and then keeping this part gloss black with the actual rear diffuser and side skirts. That'll look nice, but the rear bumper that I have in mind comes in stock. That's just going to make this car look even just a billion times, 10 times better as well. You have, what we done is the paint matched guards. Other than that, you kind of get away with it with the grey, to be honest. So yeah, that's how it's sitting now. The 8009s, that meaty track setup just looks so right with that front grille. This is what I mean by it's not really a fog light, but more of a daylight running light and indicator. So this is my right indicator on, so now instead of just being around the headlight, it's also around the actual fog light too, which actually kind of caught me off guard because I didn't think it was like that, and I think I actually prefer this a lot more. So if you guys aren't familiar with that, this is exactly what it does as well. So I'll do the other side. Well, it's kind of self-explanatory, I don't really have to do the other side, but the good thing is I can do the hazard. I'll show you guys how it looks with the hazards as well, which I actually think looks pretty damn cool, especially now that everything's all gloss black, gloss black, gloss black, and then you have the orange around, and I think that looks pretty sick. So I'm really happy that they're actually indicators and daylight running lights. Yeah, and this is how it looks with just your daylight running headlights. So you got the top LED light, white light there, LED white light there, fog light, and it just looks so right. Especially that all my car is all pretty much gloss black, grey, gloss black, carbon. Like the contrasting of it just looks really nice. And if you have a grey VB, or if you have any color VB, to be honest, 100% change the front grille to a gloss black one, or just a black one in general. It really does set the car off. This is the OEM WRX front grille. Again, this is the grey color it will be no matter which color you get, so that's why I kind of ran this grille for a long time, because it matched pretty much the color of my VB. So that's why I thought, you know, I'll run it for a while. I kind of liked it, but I didn't know how much I liked the gloss black sports grille. So definitely, if you guys are thinking about it, I reckon ditch the OEM one. That's my personal preference, especially after seeing it on my car, because I didn't mind it either. So I reckon if you're kind of on the fence about it, definitely ditch the stock OEM grille and just grab that gloss black grille. One of the cheapest small subtle upgrades you could do to your WRX that would just make it look that much more different and aggressive too. So I'm really happy we got rid of the old OEM one, and we still retained front camera too. So that is something this front grille offers you, to be able to still retain the front camera, which I like because I use it a lot too. So I'm happy about that as well. So let me know down in the comments if you guys like how the front end of my VB is looking now with the front grille and the fog light surrounds. If you had a choice, would you do this exact front grille or would you do a different one? Let me know down in the comments what you guys' thoughts are. Again, as well, if you rather prefer to keep it OEM, also let me know. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in a future video. Peace.